Hello all, today is 28th of May and it's community Konflux architecture call. We have two topics on the agenda today and the first one from you. If I
Yeah.
please.
It's a short one. I'll share the link. There is the Conflux Governance Committee in which 3 members, elected members, are sitting in their having the duty for 2 years, and then they can be re-elected. Well, we hold elections after 2 years, and now one seat is the term is ending. The seat currently held by Andrew. So there's going to be a re-election in about 2 or 3 weeks. All the details are in this GitHub issue. If you want to nominate yourself or someone else, you're very welcome. If so, currently only Andrew nominated himself. If it would be only him, then it would be an election. We were going to vote for him and against him. If there would be more nominees, then we'll vote. Each one will vote for the one that they want. That's it.
So how the actual voting is happening?
It's happening. The last few times we held it with Google Forms. We shared a form and people were voting using the form. It's not using that that issue is only for nominations.
I see, makes sense. Thank you. So we can switch to the second topic, and it's from me and Adam Kaplan. So we've previously discussed the API groups and naming in the Konflux project. So the problem, it was discussed previously, that we have a lot of legacy names in API groups, and they refer to legacy App Studio and other stuff. So we need to align it, and since Konflux is upstream project, vendor neutral, so we should remove also vendor names from the API group. So the suggestion is to align everything with one single domain or API group. So basically we propose to use konflux-ci.dev as a domain the Konflux project uses for API groups, and the suggestion is to keep it for all the services or all the parts of the Konflux we already have. So this would mean, if we agree on this, so I created ADR, so to make it public. So please take a look. I guess today it starts its 2 weeks review period. So please take a look if you have alternative suggestions for the domain name or any recommendations. You are welcomed. So this migration would came at cost, because changing API group name would mean actually to recreate all the resources already created with old API groups. So in short, we could do it gradually, like creating the duplicate of the resource, but with the new correct API group, and then deprecate old one and move all the resources to the new one, like basically copying the spec or whatever and deleting all the resources gradually. But I see that for some cases it might be harder than just migrate everything in one, let's say, click. So it just happens for every users in cluster. So that scenario is also, I think, possible. So yeah, that adds work, but like move the project towards the aligned API group and when to be vendor neutral. I guess that's it from the topic. Any questions? Okay, any ad hoc topics for today? Well, if no more topics, then thank you everyone for joining. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.